Hello Virgos, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading for you and your person. On one side will be your energies, on the other side will be the energies of the person you are dealing with, and then the most likely outcome. And please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. So let's see what's there for Virgos. So we have the Five of Swords on your side. Okay. On your person side, the Eight of Wands. Okay. Most likely outcome. See what's the most likely outcome in this situation. The Seven of Wands. Okay. So with the Five of Swords, definitely there has been an argument, a fight. Somebody perhaps has been very bossy, trying to have their own way. They wanted, or maybe some sort of manipulation was there. So there has been definitely some sort of an argument over here. With the Eight of Wands on your person's side, there is communication coming in. But with the most likely outcome, we have the Seven of Wands. Somebody is taking a stand and somebody is sort of struggling over here, defending their point of view perhaps. Let's see, what is this Five of Swords here for? Why is this Five of Swords here for Virgos? Okay, we have the Six of Pentacles, the Wheel of Fortune, and the Nine of Wands. Okay, let's see, why is this Eight of Wands here for on your person's side? Why is Eight of Wands here for on the person's side of Virgos? So we have the Three of Pentacles, the Strength, and the Six of Cups. Okay, and the World. So why is this Seven of Wands here for? So for the Seven of Wands, we have the Queen of Pentacles, the Lovers. Who are you fighting? The Queen of Cups and the Star. The King of Cups, Eight of Swords also is coming, the Five of Pentacles. So I think there is something regarding that fight and an argument. Anyway, so for the Five of Swords, we have the Six of Pentacles, the Ten of Wheels, and the Nine of Wands. So somebody was trying to balance a situation. But the things are taking a turn, and somebody here is waiting since a long time. I don't know. What I am getting here is that initially it started as somebody was, maybe there was equal, to some extent equal give and take in this relationship. Not 100% equal, but yes, to some extent at least both of you were trying to balance the situation. But what I feel here is that things have changed and somebody here is kept waiting. Okay, and maybe that was, maybe that can be the reason for this fight or an argument, because somebody is waiting here since a long time, because the things have really changed. Maybe the other person is not investing as much as they used to do initially. It can be that also. Or maybe the other person, you are waiting for the things to change and you're just waiting for them to invest more in the relationship and move forward. It can be that also. And here we have the Eight of Wands. For the Eight of Wands, we have the Three of Pentacles, the Strength, the Six of Cups and the World. So here what I feel is this person is going to communicate with you. If you are waiting for things to change, and if you are waiting for you want that this person, maybe there was an argument and maybe now you really, or regarding this stuff that you were waiting since long, and perhaps you wanted them to invest more in the relationship and move forward in the relationship, and things were not happening. And there was an argument regarding that perhaps. Here what I feel is this communication is coming in, and this maybe they are trying to discuss it with their friends and family, trying to have an opinion. But with the Strength card, the World card and the Six of Cups, definitely there is a reconciliation over here. This person will come to you for reconciliation. Even if they have a hard time doing that, maybe the argument was too much, and this person may even it's like they may need to have some guts to come back and talk to you. It can be that also. But yes, they really want to have a new beginning with you. They want to reconcile with you. And here we have the Seven of Wands. For the Seven of Wands, we have the Queen of Pentacles, the Lovers, the Queen of Cups, the Star, the King of Cups, Eight of Swords and the Five of Pentacles. We'll talk about that later. So here what I feel is definitely it is a very, very beautiful connection. There's a lot of love in this relationship, a lot of passion in this relationship. I don't know, this argument and this struggle seems to be about the fact that no matter how much the commitment is, the passion is, no matter how much the attraction is, but the thing is commitment is not coming in. Maybe that is what you are wishing for, and maybe that is what is not happening. That's what I feel. And here with the Eight of Swords and the Five of Pentacles, somebody definitely feels dejected over here. Somebody is very, very upset. You really feel very upset over here. We have the waiting side also. I think it's you. With the Eight of Swords, Five of Pentacles and the Nine of Wands, you feel very, very upset and ignored, because since you are waiting for things to change since a long time. That's what I feel. You're waiting for things to change since a long time, and you are struggling for that. Many arguments are there because of that, and it was just not happening. Okay, and here what I feel is that this person definitely wants a reconciliation after whatever this argument has happened. They will come and reconcile with you. I really don't think that it has ended. This person, no matter how much strength they need to come and approach you, maybe no matter how much guts they need to come and talk to you, but they will come and talk to you. They really want a new beginning with you. They really want to reconcile with you. And what I feel here is wishes should be fulfilled here with the Star card. We have the Queen of Pentacles and the Queen and the King of Cups. So definitely it is a relationship with equal affection and equal love. Okay, it is not that the love is less or more on the other side. There may be some reason here with the Eight of Swords and the Five of Pentacles that somebody is really not actually committing or investing as much as you would want. But what I feel is that yes, commitment will come, your wishes will be fulfilled. There is love there. There is definitely love there. Even if the other person may not be showing that much, but love is there. Let's see what is the guidance from the universe. Look to your inner strength. You are stronger than you realize. Number 11 may be of some significance for you. So here we have the strength, and here again the guidance is coming up as the strength. So maybe whatever this argument has happened, maybe it is a little too much. Maybe you have even left each other. Maybe there has been some gap also in between both of you. Maybe you're not communicating since some time. It can be that, because here definitely it has been a heated argument and people have left each other. So it is a temporary breakup type of a situation maybe, and this is what it is taking. It is taking a lot of strength on both of your parts, since it is coming up as a guidance from the universe also. So it is taking a lot of strength on both of your parts to solve this situation or sort it out. Okay, maybe you are actually waiting for them. That is what you are waiting for. With the Ten of Wands, you're waiting for them to come. Actually, it can be this also. Initially, what I said was maybe they were not investing that much and they kept you waiting. Maybe this was just waiting for the commitment. Can be that also. It can be that you are waiting for this person to come in. and that is the change you want, and that change will happen. Let's see. So Virgos, that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's meet in the next video. Bye.